a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eye. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Arabella Hair. I've worked with Arabella Hair one other time, and if I'm thinking correctly, I really like that unit, so I'll make sure to pop up the card to that video right here. But today's video is going to be a review of their highlight color number 12/613 long body wave wig. Originally on the website, this is the picture that made me choose to review this unit, but this is how the unit is looking in person. Now, does she look bad? No, not at all. But does this look like this? No, not at all. On that picture, there's a distinct difference in between the base of the unit versus the highlights of the unit versus the actual unit that I received. Yes, there's a difference, but it's like a slight difference. It's almost like all of the hairs are like mixing in together when it comes to coloring. Now again, does the unit that I have look bad? No, not at all. I'm just saying that there is a visible difference in between the two. But I will say that they do now have updated pictures on their website that look more like this unit. So just keep in mind, if you plan on getting this unit, this is how it's going to look. It's not going to look like this. But anywho, they do offer this unit in a 13x4 and a 13x4 with pre-cut lace. I received your standard 13x4. The cap construction for this unit comes with no combs at all, like none whatsoever attached, but they do offer them on the side to where you can attach them yourself if you choose to do so. And then they also offer a security band that you can clearly attach yourself. Something I want to point out is that when it comes to the 13x4, like, it is a true 13x4. You're getting your full 13 inches across and then 4 inches back for the parting space, which we love. The textures offered for this unit are straight and body wave. If I'm thinking correctly, I received the body wave, but I did go in and shampoo, condition, blow dry, and then I also turned around and straightened the unit. And that's because I don't know if I want to wear the unit straight, or if I want like big voluminous curls, or if I just want like soft curls. Like, I don't know, we'll see once I put it on. The lengths offered for this unit are 12 all the way down to 30 inches. I received the 26 inch and 180% density. Pretty sure all of their units come in 180% density, but if you choose to get the 12 inch, I believe you can get that one in 150% density. But that's all I have to say about the unit as of right now. Let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts and opinions about the unit at the end.
Every good girl needs a little love. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. Can't you see it's just me and you? Panoramic view, that's my point of view, babe. All about me, that's the energy. That's the limit rapper thing, I'm a 10-piece, baby. Bedroom fully in a bando. He gon' make it flip, do it with no handles. Never switching sides, only switching angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo. What it is, ho? In the truck, got it tucked, he gave it up. I can stuck all night, I like. You ain't gotta say it when you know it's on side. Hit him up, in the truck, got it tucked, he gave it up. I can stuck all night, I like. You ain't gotta say it when you know it's on side. Bedroom fully in a bando. He gon' make it flip, do it with no handles. Never switching sides, only switching angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo. What it is, ho?
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Arabella Hair. Now, I want to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be that this unit does not hold a curl. Now, keep in mind, they do offer this unit in both straight and body wave, and I'm pretty sure I asked for a body wave, but it's a possibility that I received a straight instead. And now that I'm actually thinking about it, I want to say that this unit was straight like
out of the package. So I might have received a straight unit instead of a body wave unit, and that might be the reason why it's not really holding a curl too long. I curled this unit maybe about an hour and a half ago, and I mean, as you can see, there's pretty much no curls. Now granted, I wasn't going for anything like super tightly curled. Like I wanted like a really loose wave, if you will. So it's giving me what I wanted, but at the same time I'm like, I wanted something just a smidge tighter, if that even makes sense. I'll make sure to talk to the company and ask them which one they sent, whether it was straight or body wave, and put up a little note like across the bottom of the screen just so you guys know. So if it is a straight unit, then disregard everything that I just said. My second con for this unit is that she does shed. Now keep in mind, the hair that grows out of our scalp tends to shed, so therefore naturally a wig is also going to shed. My only thing is that I wish this unit shedded just a little bit less. Now let's move on to my pros regarding this unit, and the first one is going to be the color. Despite the unit not being the exact color that I thought it was going to be, it still came out bomb. Most of the time I am a little bit afraid of this color on darker skin tones, but I don't know, I think I might be starting to get used to it. I'm really liking this one. It could be like the blonde streak that's happening right here in the front. It could be the fact that I'm wearing like a chocolate shirt. I'm chocolate. The hair is like a brownish tone. I don't know, so it's just like a bunch of brownish tones like mixed in together. I don't know, I'm feeling it. Another thing I'm really liking and appreciating about this unit is the fact that it is a true 13x4. Seeing as how it is a true 13x4, like it went past my ear. So whenever I cut the lace off, I didn't have like this like little bitty tiny space to where I had to like maneuver it or anything like that. I was able to just like cut freely, if that even makes sense. If you're not new to the channel, then you know sometimes I struggle with like trying to cover my sideburns and also getting units to stay down on the sideburns. With this unit, I'm not having that problem. Now, do you see a little bit of lace? Yes, of course, right here in this area, and that's because of the way that the unit was formed. It's like the hairline starts to go like back in this area, so it's not going to cover my sideburn. But I mean, hey, I am perfectly okay with this. I also like the fact that I was able to cover up my edges as well as cut some of the front portion of the unit off. Now mind you, I've never done that. My natural hairline, the way it sits, is like this portion goes back some, then my edges come out, then I have like a dip in the back right here, and then it like comes back out right here on the sideburns portion. So I mean, it's a normal hairline to me because it's my hairline, but to some people it might seem like a little funny or funky, I don't know. But for me to be able to like cut some of this off and still have it to where my forehead looks like a normal size and not like shrunken. If you wear wigs, you know exactly what I mean. You know exactly what I'm talking about. What I'm ultimately trying to say is that I appreciate the fact that this is a true 13x4 because it allowed me to cover up my entire hairline, including my sideburns, but then also still have enough room for parting space. Although the hair does shed a little bit, the quality of the hair is still up there in my opinion. Seeing as how this is a blonde unit, we all know that it's been like bleached and processed and whatnot, but the hair still remains like silky and soft, and it doesn't feel dry at all. Now I will say I was a little bit nervous that this unit didn't come with combs pre-attached. Like, I like the fact that they offer them, but I'm just so used to them already being inside the units where I was just like, how is this gonna go? I like to use the back comb as like a anchor, if you will, but like, I don't know. I think it's okay that this unit doesn't come with one because the unit is still fitting on my head pretty nicely. Now, would I say that this unit is big head friendly? Yes and no. Like, it's fitting on my head pretty comfortably, but I feel like if my head was a little bit bigger or if I had my twist in my head, it might not fit too comfortably. Like, there's still some like room to stretch back there, but yeah, I wouldn't want it too tight. But yeah, overall, I'm really liking the unit. I already know that this unit is going to be in heavy rotation for this fall and winter time because I'm really liking it with this chocolate brown shirt, which means I'm probably gonna like it with the creams, the burnt oranges, the greens, you know, all the things. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.